Everyone says they want passive income to quit their job. But here's the question almost nobody actually asks. How much do you really need? Let's break it down, because most people are chasing the wrong number. First, forget the dream number you see on social media. You don't need $10,000 a month in passive income to quit. What you actually need is to replace your lifestyle expenses, not your total salary. Let's say you make $6,000 a month from your job. After taxes, bills, and spending, maybe $4,000 is what you actually live on. That's your target, not your full paycheck. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If your passive income covers even 50% of that, around $2,000 a month, you've just bought freedom. Because now, your job becomes optional. You can take risks, scale projects, and build the rest without panic. Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about creating space to build a life you actually want. And the people who understand that get there way faster. So ask yourself, what's your number? Comment my number below, and I'll show you how to reverse engineer your personal passive income target in the next video. Subscribe to Modern Money Manual, because smart money is built, not dreamed about.